It's a very, very special, unique release, and I'm gonna share with you how. Hello, Zelda. How are you? Yeah, when we play good music, you always pop in. Yeah, this is Zelda, one of our music cats here at XYZ. You never get bored if you come here, and they always like to entertain us during our music projects and activities. Link in case you want to find out more. Thank you, Zelda, for your help. You are always so helpful. Zelda loves to help here. She just doesn't want to hang out. She always wants to help to manage, I would say, things at XYZ. Unfortunately, she is not able to type yet. Otherwise, she would do all the show notes herself. But as you can see, she comfortably loves to hang around with us, no matter what. Yeah. Mwah. She has a thing for techno, by the way. So whenever we play good techno music, for some reason she jumps here and never gets tired and never wants to leave.